Guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much guys for watching. If this is your first time of seeing this video, hello, my name is Becky. Thank you so much guys for stopping by. Today's video is going to be eyebrow tattoo remove, how you can remove your tattoo. If you're the type of person that you have a funny tattoo, you have a funny eyebrow tattoo, don't worry, the remedy I'm going to share with you will help you to fade the ink. It depends the type of the ink. If you have the red one, it's gonna be very difficult, but I pray that you have a black ink. The black ink is very easy to remove, but if yours is like a red or brown, it's going to be very difficult. The type of person that your eyebrow that you have is the old-fashioned one, and you've tried everything to remove it, don't worry, the remedy will help you to fade it away, because the new style of eyebrow now is like a mark. Is the way they are removed, it's like a mark, and it's very pretty. But the one that we have during that the holding days one is like a one, and some of the shape is very funny, and some of shape we just go like this. It's so funny, and one of my sister have this type of shape one, so we finally remove it with home remedy, but it take for ages. But you can see the tattoo shape is still there, but it's kind of light, it's fading, but she still believes that one day we're gonna eventually remove it. So if your shape is the holding day one or the old-fashioned one and it's so obvious you don't really like it, don't worry, by the time you use this remedy you're going to be happy. It's going to light it, it's not going to remove it immediately. It's the consistency. It could take up to 4, 5, 6, 7 months. It depends your melanin as well. All right, it's like just like a bleaching cream. Some people will spend fortune to bleach their skin to get rid the color that God gave them. They will spend fortune the skin the color is not going to fade. They will spend, and sometimes they eventually remove the black cell that God gave them, and we leave them with like a red color. You see, sometimes you see some people, the face is yellow and the neck is red and the leg is like a goat color. So that's it. So the melanin we have different melanin guys, so just pray for God that this my remedy should work for you. I hope it's gonna help. I will just keep trying. My sister use it, and it's okay. She still continue. I learned this remedy from my sister, and she's happy, and it's working, I hope. So I'm going to show you what she used. So the first ingredient we're going to use, you can use lemon or lime, okay? You don't have to go and say, oh, I have to use lemon or I have to use lime. You can use that of the two, okay? So you're going to use a lemon or lime contain anti-bleaching property. It contains a bleaching property, as you can see. We fade anything as long you are using it in the right, as long you follow my instruction, you follow this video to the end, and you are not going to miss anything. And just try to use it, follow the instruction, okay? So we are not going to use everything anyway. So the good news, you can store it in the fridge for 2 to 4 days, and you're going to squeeze this. Make sure you squeeze all of the water. So we just only need the liquid. So this liquid can bright your skin if you want to tone your skin, and this liquid as well can get rid of acne. Okay, if you have acne, you have pimples or open pores, you can use this as well. So and that's the gel. It's okay, you don't have to worry. So we need apple cider vinegar, we need a mother brand, okay? Just make sure that you get a good brand, okay? This brand, you can get any brand, but I like this. It's cheaper and it works same. It's very cheap, this one, and I love it. It's Irish product and I have no complaint about it. It does the job. So you're going to measure 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of cider. So you apply it with that. And if you have a sensitive skin, you have to consult your doctor before you apply any of my products. Please don't go ahead and use my product without finding the side effects. Okay, if I see anything on YouTube, I normally check before using it. Okay, like me, I have a sensitive skin, so please, whenever I upload any remedy, try to check. Okay, check with your doctor or check online. You have to know your skin anyway, so make sure you check them. So this is it, and we need sea salt. Okay, if you cannot find sea salt, you can use ordinary table salt. Okay, so I prefer using sea salt. My sister uses salt. So for the sea salt, we are going to be using 3 tablespoons of sea salt. So you are going to use 3 tablespoons of sea salt. Okay. Sorry guys, you are going to use half teaspoon of sea salt. Okay, that is what's working. So you want to mix them together. So you leave this for up to 10 to 20 minutes, okay, for the sea salt to disappear, to melt well. Okay guys, so this is it. You can get a cotton pad or cotton wool before applying. If your skin is very sensitive, you have a very sensitive skin, I will advise you to apply olive oil, okay, after rinse it. Okay, so you're gonna use this on your eyebrow. I don't have cotton ball today. I don't have cotton ball. What I'm going to use, I'm going to use my palm. I'm going to use my finger anyway. So you can just see the way I'm doing it. So apply this to the eyebrow, to the eyebrow ink. Sorry guys, I need to put this. So this is how you're gonna use it. So you rub it every day and you leave it to dry. So it depends how many minutes it's gonna take for this to dry. So you just leave it, let it dry. Leave it to dry to penetrate the skin. Okay, so consistency is the key. And if you can get a beach water, if you have a beach water, because that contains salt, you can go to the beach and fetch 1 liter, or go to the beach, fetch beach water as well. And you can use beach water every morning and apply it to the ink. Okay, rub it, keep massage it to the skin until it penetrates to the skin, to the ink, and you can massage it at least for 20 minutes. Okay, so you keep doing that. So after 20 minutes, leave it, let it dry. When it dry, rinse it with lukewarm water and apply a good moisturizer. You can use olive oil or you can use coconut oil. Okay, you apply your coconut oil, and coconut oil as well can remove tattoo. Consistency is the key. So you keep applying coconut oil day and night to the tattoo, so it's going to disappear. It depends. We all have different skin type and we all have different skin color, so give it a go. All right, if you give it a go, if you try for 6, 7, 12 months, if it doesn't work for you, if you do not see any difference, my friends, maybe you should quit. If you can have patience, you can continue until you get a good result. Okay, so this is just idea. This is what my sister used. Then I could see my sister eyebrow is lighter and she's kind of happy, but I could see the improvements. I could see that this thing will work. And when this dry, and we rinse it with lukewarm water, and she will apply coconut oil. And sometimes if she's running out of lemon or lime or salt and vinegar or apple cider vinegar, my sister used to apply coconut oil. Okay, she'll massage it every night, and she'll rinse it in the morning, or you don't have to rinse it, or you just leave it. Okay, if you find this my video helpful, please kindly subscribe to my channel, thumbs up, click the if you find this helpful, if this my video really help you, and you see the different and you see changes, please kindly subscribe to my channel. Press the subscribe button and share this video with your loved one. Stay blessed. Bye for now.